नमस्कार. मी लेवा सखी घे भरारी तर्फे आयोजित केलेल्या संस्कार संस्कृती या कार्यक्रमात माझे भाषण इंग्लिशमध्ये देणार आहे. I am Sejal Vinod Kinge from Jalgaon. I am studying in class 8 and I am 13 years old. Today I am going to speak on an Indian social activist and a retired women IPS officer who is also currently a governor of Puducherry. Yes, I am talking about Kiran Bedi. Kiran Bedi was born in Amritsar, Punjab. She was the second of the 4 daughters born to Prakash Peshawariya and Prem Peshawariya. Her parents made a number of sacrifices for their daughters to go further in their education and be successful in this male-dominated society. At a young age, Kiran Bedi was interested in sports, especially in tennis. She won the Asian Women's Lawn Tennis Championship. Kiran Bedi struggled hard to be on par with men and at times even surpassed men in sports and education. Kiran Bedi was an outstanding student, no doubt, but she was also a great civil servant. Since young, her efforts diverted to uplifting the society and to realize her dreams. Kiran Bedi joined IPS in 1972. In fact, she was the first woman to join IPS, and by doing so, she brought lights and hopes in the lives of many of the girls and women living in the country. Yes, Kiran Bedi's hard work, perseverance and dedication paid off, and she was awarded with UN medal for her outstanding work with UN. She was also awarded with Lifetime Achievement Award, Bharatiya Manavta Puraskar and President's Guarantee Award. Kiran Bedi's hard work and determination haven't gone unnoticed. Kiran Bedi is not just a role model for men, but she was a role model for women too. Kiran Bedi, she stood up her principles and rose in her career and education. Despite the age, a person should always focus on improving the skills and to make the best out of the opportunities. Kiran Bedi was a strong believer in this thought, and she has been seen proving this thought in several occasions, several times. At last, I would say that Kiran Bedi is a best example, is an epitome of how hard work leads to success in life. Thank you.